powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the Café Affetto. Both seem pretty fancy.
Yeah, definitely. The Breville is listed at $799.95 currently, while the Café Affetto is cheaper, around $499.99. Price is a big difference right off the bat.
True. So what are we getting for that extra cash with the Breville? Is it really worth it?
Well, the Breville boasts this 4 keys formula for third-wave specialty coffee. It focuses on dose control grinding, optimal water pressure, fast heat up, and precise temperature. It heats up in 3 seconds, supposedly, using something called a thermojet system.
Okay, fancy. And the Café? What's its angle?
The Café Affetto seems to focus on convenience and smart features. It has one-touch brew for espresso, Americano, and even hot water in under 90 seconds. Plus, it connects to an app, the Smart HQ app, to customize drinks.
App connectivity. Interesting. Does the Breville have that?
Not that I can see. The Breville has a touchscreen, which is cool, allowing you to create and save up to 8 personalized coffees, but no mention of app control.
So Breville is more about precision and temperature control, while the Café is about ease of use and customization through an app. What about the grinder?
Both have integrated conical burr grinders. The Café has 5 grind size settings you can adjust. The Breville just mentions it delivers the quote amount of coffee on demand without specifying the number of grind settings.
Right. And milk frothing? I need a good latte.
Both have automatic milk frothing. The Breville has an auto steam wand with adjustable temperature and texture. The Café has a steam frother with rotating wand and includes a frothing pitcher.
Okay, so both can do latte art, hopefully. What about size? Kitchen counter space is precious.
The Café is a bit smaller. Its dimensions are 7.1, dx 16.1, wx 12.48h. The Breville is larger at 12.7, dx 12.5, wx 16 inches h.
Good to know. And what about the reviews?
The Breville has way more reviews, around 38-31, with an average rating of 4.4 stars. The Café has fewer reviews, only 379, and a slightly lower rating of 3.5 stars.
Okay, that says something. So, it sounds like the Breville is the more proven, higher quality machine, but the Café is cheaper and has some cool smart features.
Exactly. It really depends on what you're prioritizing. Quality and proven performance, or price and app-controlled convenience.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.